Okay, markets have just closed. A lot of things to talk about. We'll just say that the Republican, and I'm reading. Let me just read from the Wall Street Journal. Congressional leaders said Wednesday they've reached an agreement on a 2-year budget deal, charting a path out of the long-running turmoil over spending and immigration that culminated in a government shutdown last week. Raises federal spending by almost $300 billion over 2 years, above limits imposed by 2011 budget. And this would be a positive or a victory for defense hawks who have pushed for higher military spending. And so it looks like they've come to an agreement. It has to go through the House and the Senate first, but it does appear that they are positive about this. I don't know what the reaction of the market really is. It hasn't done a lot. Stock market is up. We've got the dollar up, but not anything dramatic. And the commodity markets were very mixed, and we'll look at that. Let's see. Cotton market down 22 at 75.97 in March, a high of 76.93, a low of 75.82. Soybeans down 3 1/4 in March at 9.83, a high of 9.93 3/4, a low of 9.82 1/4. Corn in March up 1 1/2 at 3.65, a high of 3.65 3/4, a low of 3.62 1/2. And here's a big one: wheat. March wheat up 13 3/4 at 4.60, a high of 4.61 3/4, a low of 4.47 3/4. I've circled a few things here where we've had big market movement in outside markets. The dollar right now is up 77 on the day. Crude oil is down about $2 a barrel. That's a very big move. Big move down in gold and silver. Gold down $14 an ounce, silver down 31 cents an ounce, and Dow Jones right now is up 113 points. So we're having big moves in a number of different markets, but agricultural markets just seem to be somewhat lackluster today. It could not rally cotton and hold it up. It tried to rally, but when it tried to sell off, it couldn't really follow through there either. So we'll just have to take this day by day. It could be that today's activity with this budget agreement, or the beginning of it, might turn out to be a positive thing all the way around for the stock market, for the commodity markets, but we're going to look at it overnight and see what the market does tomorrow morning. That's it. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.